You are crunched here.
And you know what's crazy? This hip flexor is so painful. This is the most painful one. This side.
You're a little bit of a mystery. We'll figure it out though. Don't worry.
You're not the first person that has told me that.
So now when I feel the left, that I'm gonna push now, okay?
Yeah, all good.
Versus here. Which side is more sore? Are they about the same?
Left feels more tender.
I'm gonna really push. Still left?
That feels just more stuck, but this is more tender.
Okay, yeah, I'm dragging it. I want to
Yeah.
know. Yeah, it's a rough one. It's not completely black and white, you know. I have to like start fiddling with it, and then I kind of go, okay, that does have slightly more range of motion than that side, but it's minor differences. One more test. Straddle the table again, one more time, and then I'm just come behind me, Linnea, so we're not too. Okay, do you mind? I'm gonna just
Not at all.
now cross your arms in front of me. You again. Yes. Now, which side, as I bend you, feels more difficult?
Right now it's this way.
Really?
Over here.
And you feel it over there. But when I go this way,
It's stuck here.
okay. All right. On your back, face up for me. Hands on your stomach. Okay, here we go.
Yep.
I need dizziness or vertigo when I do this.
No.
How about this? Open up your eyes for me. Any vertigo here?
No.
And how about over here? Oh, okay, I get it now. Any vertigo here? Yeah, this is your tighter side.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right here. It's just a little bit minor differences. I'm just loosening it up to adjust it. I'll go when you're, cause just not to avoid getting the oil in your hair.
Yeah, no worries.
I'm gonna wait until you're on your stomach. Turn this way. Chin up for me. Nice. And chin up. Chin back. Look up. Relax here. Can't quite turn you this way.
Yeah, it's stuck.
Okay, hold on. Let me figure out what's going on. I don't want to force that.
I have the same problem with my chiropractor.
No, it's okay.
What he does for me is one thrust back. So to give like air or space, or I don't know. And then it goes into place.
It moved, but it didn't move like all the way.
Mm-hmm.
Like
I have that problem too. This girl is just like me.
just like your mom.
Yes.
What your mom was saying.
Yep.
Did I do it? I can be a chiropractor. And I am for my kids.
I'm like, hold on a second.
It
Oh,
feels like it's stuck, and then he pulls me like that,
there it goes again.
Yeah.
and it goes.
So good.
And relaxes. Like,
So
I have.
when
a
do you go to her
chiropractor.
chiropractor? No, more of it went. No, I always listen. No, you guys have more experience than I do with your bodies. This is the first visit, so I'm figuring it all out. But as I keep pushing on it, it keeps going.
For me, the traction thing is even I feel it here. I always am the one that like is trying to give myself space in my spine. Thank you.
All right. And then
God, I
look,
feel so stuck. It's not. Yeah,
how about like that?
that's good.
Head back for me. There we go. Yeah, it needs way more. That's it. That's all. She's gonna go like that. No, that's it. On your back. Bend both of your knees. Pubic symphysis. Press out against my arms. Good. And squeeze. Squeeze. Go. A little bit there. Okay, I'm gonna work more because it's tight.
I'm so stuck.
But you're like, oh, it feels like it pops. So I was like, well, let's try it.
I know.
You know, it's okay. But it's not ready yet. That's why you see me do all the soft tissue first.
Yeah.
Because it's like, it usually doesn't go
In.
like that, no.
Yeah.
We call it a cold adjustment.
Yeah.
I haven't done this either.
Mm.
Any pain when I do this?
Yeah, it's like tight or tender.
Take a deep breath in.
Quick interruption. This will be worth it. We now offer 2 foam roller densities, a softer foam roller that provides gentle relief, ideal for beginners or sensitive muscles. We also provide a firm version to target deeper tissues for a more intense muscle releasing experience. I modeled my roller in the shape of my thumbs. Head on over to our official website, pendragonmerch.com.
Good. Deep breath in. Good, excellent. And again. Like, how much more are we at? A little bit. And again, deep breath in. Okay, here we go. That's it.
Ooh.
Oh,
My God, that was so stuck.
oh wow. Hold on, did I get it all? Your body just keeps going and going. I'm like, I'm done. And they're like, you know what? I bet not. Deep breath in. Let's just double make sure. No, that's everything there. Yeah, I'm really trying to push that down. But then we get to here and it switches to the left. Okay. Feel this?
Yeah.
So, that is your problem. That. Take your lacrosse ball right there. Because I was having a hard time. It's not over here.
Yeah.
Okay?
It does feel kind of.
It's not the mass that it is on the left.
So yeah, that's
Feel
why
that?
when I bend to the right, I feel
But I
stuck.
think, right, it's actually here.
That's where I feel it.
This is your injury. This is like, something's happened here. Okay? Right there. Click,
Uh-huh.
click, click, click.
That's
This
exactly
side.
where it is.
This side might be sore, but there's no injury. You understand?
No, I think
I'm not
that's-
catching.
Like when I was explaining it, I maybe explained
It
it bad,
is.
but when I went to the right, it's stuck here.
No, you did. You explained it. You said
Oh.
it. You said it. I was just kind of like, let me just get on the table. Let me see. I feel it. I feel it now. I'm gonna reach here. Okay,
Yep.
just to the front. There you go. That's it. Elbow. Oh, it's down in here. Is this okay? I gotta go into the glute.
You got it.
She's north of you, okay. Arrgh. Mm-hmm. Wow, it's all the way up here. You okay with this?
Oh yeah.
I'm deep, okay? Like real deep here.
Oh, you can like go for it.
Okay. Right there. Let's start up here. That's it. Right there. That's an injury. Let me know if I'm on your spine.
No, you're not.
That went down down.
Yeah.
Ugh.
There it is.
There you go. Slowly get that in. Give you a little break. I'm gonna do glutes, okay?
Sure.
This is why I don't think it went in that easily.
Yep.
Right there. Down the back of the leg.
Yep.
Oh, got one here. Hold on. It's right in the corner.
Hey, it's exactly right.
Right there, okay? So when you're working
It's-
on your foam
it's
roller,
when-
here and here. Does that make sense?
I know, and it always has to be internally rotated, or else I can't get in there. Do you know what I mean?
I don't know. We're pretty in there right now. I mean, that's as deep as I go. I mean, you could take your leg and then like that. You okay?
Yeah.
I'm kind of externally rotating it,
Mm-hmm.
not internal, but I can get pretty down into the bone right there.
Yeah.
So I don't need it any more than that. Then you can relax that down. Okay. Breathe. All right, I'm gonna pull hip sockets. Let me. You feel great. There you go. Perfect.
Okay.
Just gonna put some cloth down. There you go. Hey, it's already feeling better. So take your lacrosse ball and okay, because there's a knot here. Because look, I'm already down to like nothing. You see what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
you must be doing something.
I try so hard.
Nah, you're doing good.
Sometimes there's only so much you can do for yourself.
That's true. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go into the iliac crest, so
Sure.
into these kind of hip. Okay.
Love that.
Okay, now I go to the side. Perfect. Let's try the other side. Are you okay with that?
Oh yeah. I'm putting you to work. I'm sorry.
Oh, no, I just gotta breathe for myself here. The oil's just so I don't catch your skin. I might be getting some of it on your pants. I'm
that's all
sorry.
right. No problem.
But I gotta like. Yeah, chiropractors are gonna probably be the ones to do this kind of twist to you, I suppose.
Yep.
And move the bone at the same time. Maybe. Ooh. There you go. You okay?
That is crunchy.
Yeah, sorry, that was a big
It's
move.
okay. And what exactly is that?
This is connective tissue. This is your TFL, tensor fasciae lata, your abductor. Okay, and I'm trying to smooth that. It goes to your hip socket here.
It hurts so bad, my
Right.
hips up.
So if you're like, I can't. Well, which leg was it that couldn't reach out?
That
It was
one.
this one. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. We'll try it. We should have shown how you couldn't do it. But actually, you want to try it now? I know you're stuck in there. Make sure you're okay on the front.
I'm good.
Forgot to show that even when they just make sure you're okay in the front. Yeah, you're good?
Yeah.
Show me what exactly you couldn't do. I mean, now I just worked on everything.
So, yeah, this is just so much better.
Oh, there you go.
Told you. There was something. Yep. Now I can bring my knee to my chest. Yay!
Okay. You poor thing.
Yay!
Oh
my goodness.
So, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, it's
you are
psoas.
right. It's the psoas here. So when you lift up, I just pulled that up and out. So you got to kind of almost work your diaphragm.
Yeah.
Like into here. Okay. You get the diaphragm. Sorry, I didn't mean to pull on your right there. And the other thing I did was the glute and the TFL. I did this, dragged that north
Yeah.
up into the iliac crest here. SI joint. Ugh. Was this?
I'm sure.
You know,
It
that
all has to be
maybe.
connected.
Yeah.
Feels so much.
Yeah. Okay, so upper back now. Try this again. Deep breath in. I'm jumping. Girl. It looks so chaotic. It's like, what is she doing? Is she sure she's a chiropractor?
Oh my gosh.
That's what I would be saying.
I'm so, yeah, I know. I'm always stressed out. Ooh.
Yeah. I know.
Crunchy.
It's okay. You need it every once in a while. I'll get this done. No, I gotta do elbow here. Look up for me a little bit and down. There it is. Here we go. 5.
Oh, there.
3, 2, 1. Yep. More? Yeah? Okay?
Yep. Oh, there. Oh my god.
That's it. There you go. You okay with all that? Yeah, no, these feel great. Scapula's moved just fine. We're getting it. It's coming out. I can tell you've been worked on. You're saying a year, but it feels just, I can tell you must be doing some.
Oh, for sure.
Because I'm like, nah, this moves great.
Yeah, that lacrosse ball is under there too.
Yeah, I'm like, there's
The
not
lacrosse-
much here.
The lacrosse ball works overtime.
Little bits over time.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm mostly just doing structural like this. Like I'm doing like something on a 4th visit. You know what I mean? This is like, I'm pushing ribs in.
Yeah.
We don't usually get here right away. I mean, nobody can usually withstand this stuff.
Like I said, I have very high pain tolerance.
I see. Now, have you had scraping before?
Yeah, a little bit. I don't think I.
Not extensively,
Not
but-
extensively, yeah.
That is deep.
What is the?
It's deep, it's not.
Um,
Okay, so we're gonna have to get you up again. Right there. That's it. That's it. There we go. There's a knot right there. To each his own. Ah, this is the stuff I like.
Me too.
Okay, I like to see it come out of people.
I'm glad we both like it.
Woo! Well, the back won't be exposed, right?
Nah.
Right, stay there. Can you stay there for just 2 seconds?
Yeah.
I gotta get a different tool. Come on, scar tissue is there, girl. All right, I'm gonna even it out on the other side. It's a little lower over here. Okay. So arm over and touch the other shoulder. Yes. There we go. Sorry, Linnea. This way.
That's a pretty name.
There you go. And again, we're gonna just reach across. Yeah. Sounds like. Yes. Oh yeah, girl.
Yep. There she is.
Raked her across
I
the
love it.
coal. Did you see her back? And then here, elbow back. Yeah, it's elbow back. Perfect. Here. There's the hip. There's the other hip. You want like that.
Yeah. Which?
I want to be on top of you here.
Yep.
Sorry, my leg is here. That's everything right there.
Yeah.
It don't move any more than that. Okay.
Yeah,
It don't-
dislocate her.
Yeah, it don't go further. Alright. Sorry.
I think that's the problem of my life. I'm hyper flexible.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, like I mean, I'll humor
Do you
you,
know what I mean?
but I think let's try something else.
She's like, okay.
Like,
Oh,
that's
man.
it, you know?
Yeah.
Well, I felt your joint go, and there's just nothing there. No, okay.
That it just feels
Hold
here.
on.
I'm
Have
gonna
a seat.
hold on.
Have a seat. We're gonna start with the soft one. If you want harder, we'll go harder, but we're gonna start with soft. All the way back here. Put that on that spot there.
Oh, this spot there. It's this one.
Yep, right there. A little bit this way.
This
Right
one.
there. Right there. Now grab your thighs. Grab your thighs.
Backwards.
Right there. Now push away. Open it up. That's it. Give yourself a fulcrum when you do this. You'll get more. Is it enough? Or you want more?
I don't know.
Here, try another one. Go back. Do it again. That's a harder roller.
Okay.
Center it. Yeah, right there. Now push away. That's it. I feel like enough. It
You
doesn't.
think it's just a feeling?
I think it's a feeling. Yes. If anything, this is what I would focus on right there. Where it's on that left side, correct?
Yep.
Now butt on the ground. Knees to the left. Bend your knees to the left.
Oh man.
Arms up and over. That is what I would work on.
Okay.
You see how I did that?
Like do this.
Push into it.
Oh, I see what you're
Push.
saying now. I see.
Push. Okay, squeeze that. You can do this with a low cross ball too.
Uh-huh.
But compress that. Okay. That's the firm one. That's like a harder roller there. I see. Now, that's how you would get your back.
Yeah.
Can you...
What you're feeling is in your sacrum, right?
She
Ellie?
feels it
Yeah.
in her sacrum, yeah. She can take, what you could do is go all the way up, all the way down, put it on your sacrum. Go to about there. Now put your knees to your chest. Now that you can do that.
Yay.
Not too many people can do those.
Well, yeah.
And
Sometimes
then you
I
can
go
sit
like
on it.
there. Did you hear?
Yeah, I did.
It went in.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just had to really, really round it.
Yeah.
The only other thing I was trying to think of was the psoas. But you know how to do that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, on this,
And you can do the
Yeah.
SI joint,
do you do it this way? Would you
Yeah.
suggest it this way?
Mhm.
Mhm.
and you just push.
This way.
Yeah, and then come on your side. Bottom leg straight, top leg over. Bring this arm forward here. And sink into that on the side.
Mm.
Because you have it up into here in your iliac
I
crust.
feel. Yeah, I feel it.
Yes, and well, but the SI joint, so more on the
Uh-huh.
back. So,
Oh, back.
yeah.
Got you.
There you go. Yeah, you might want both legs down. And then or sometimes I go like straight and I go across them like that. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there you go. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Start with this, and then, come up here, down, stay here. Let it open carefully. You see how I'm rolling this
Yeah.
forward? You understand? I've got a block here to
Mhm.
lift it up, so I'm not doing this without a block.
Yeah.
You don't have to use a roller. Use a block or something, and you're pulling. Relax. Then now, you don't have to do a dead hang. Just a dead hang, like you're hanging. and
Oh,
let
like
it
the
separate.
traction. Yeah.
Let it separate.
Yeah. Thank you.
I don't want to do too much more. Or I'm
No,
gonna,
I know.
really, you're gonna be walking out of here. But I think we got it. I'm sorry
Honestly?
you're so far away, but
Yeah, I feel.
as long as you understand how to take care of it yourself, you know what I mean?
I kind of do, and I think it's like one of those things that is like maintenance, where I just have to keep on just like doing something about it.
You can get the little crossball, start up here, find that knot,
Yeah.
but then you also need to spend time tucking it in. You're kind of like this. You need to tuck it in. Tuck it
The-
under.
The
your
lacrosse.
rib. No, you need
No,
like a
you're-
fulcrum.
Oh, you're saying, I see.
You need to push it in this
yeah,
way.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, like put a foam roller under there and go like this.
And push that.
Or even
Oh.
your hand, like she
Yes.
did.
You're
that
saying
position
going
that
like
she did.
this.
Yes, on the roller.
With the
But we were
roller.
just doing that. Yeah, you were like this. You were like this. And I was having you with your legs.
Oh, yeah. I
you
see what you're
understand?
saying.
You're opening this up.
Mm-hmm.
You're like, I'm tight.
Yeah.
I know you're tight on the right.
Uh-huh.
Well, at least it looks tight on the right. But you open it up like this.
Gotcha.
And then you could go, I had you like this.
Yeah.
But you could also go like this and push it.
Mm-hmm.
You understand how
Yeah.
I'm pushing that rib in?
Yeah.
Because if you don't have the fulcrum, there's nowhere for it to go.